Welcome to CreativeSwift Skills for all social media management training. We're excited to have you join us. This free social media management training kicks off on Monday, July 1st, 2025, and is designed to equip you with the skills you need to work and earn from home as a social media manager. This is a self-paced training hosted right here on the CreativeSwift Skills for all YouTube channel. You'll be able to watch each video on your own schedule, revisit lessons anytime, and progress at a pace that works best for you. Our mission: we are on a mission to empower 10,000 young individuals worldwide, which is why this program is 100% free and accessible to all. No hidden charges, no barriers, just pure value for your personal and professional growth. What you'll learn: how to build a strong and professional online presence, how to create engaging and high-performing content, how to grow and manage your social media audience, how to use analytics to measure and improve results, tools and strategies to start working as a freelance or full-time social media manager. To get started, please do the following. Subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on all training videos. Like this video to confirm your participation. Comment your full name and your unique code below this video to register your spot. Example: Jane Doe, CS 2025 SM01. Why this training matters. In today's digital economy, social media management is one of the most in-demand and flexible career paths. With the right skills, you can work for businesses, entrepreneurs, or manage your own clients, all from the comfort of your home. Look how to make the most of this training. Take notes as you watch. Complete the exercises and apply what you learn. Rewatch key lessons as needed. Engage in the comments section. Ask questions and connect with others. Remember, this is your learning journey. Be consistent, stay curious, and don't rush. By the end of this training, you'll have the skills and confidence to take on real social media management opportunities. We're so glad you're here. Welcome to the CreativeSwift Skills for all community. Let's grow together